Illustration. A straight wire of diameter 0.5 millimeter. This is the wire, and diameter is given to us 0.5 millimeter. Carrying a current of 1 ampere. Current flowing through it is known as the 1 ampere. Is replaced by another wire of 1 millimeter diameter. Another wire having diameter is more than this. So I say this is D1, and this D2 is given to us, that is 1 millimeter, just double. The strength of the magnetic field far away. We know if it is a wire, magnetic field depends on the amount of current flowing through the wire. More the current, more the magnetic field. In both the situation, amount of current is same, it is not changing. And depends on the distance. As we are moving away from the wire, magnetic field will decrease. So R is also same, not changing from the central line of the wire. So B is not changing. It means the strength of magnetic field will not change. So we will say right answer of the problem will be option D, that is no change.